Well, today we're going to start working on installing the radiator in the grill for the 33 hot rod. We've got all the parts out of the boxes, we've got them laid out, we've got quite a bit of assembling to do. But before we get into that, we got some metal components that got a lot of slag from the laser cutting process on them, and some burrs, and we got to get those ground down, we got to get them cleaned up, and then we've got some components we got to paint. So we got a little bit of work to do before we can actually get into the assembly process. But let's get started. Well, the radiator, the cooling system, and the grill are all installed on the 33 hot rod. This was actually one of the more fun parts of the build that we've been through. We really had a good time. We didn't have a lot of problems, just a couple little hiccups, but we got through them. And I'm telling you, the grill looks really, really cool on the car. So, hey, next time we're going to be working on the exhaust system. Keep coming back to 33 hot rod. Check out our videos. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, cheers.